This is the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, the best smartphone Samsung has made this year. And here is the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL, the best smartphone from Google this year. So what happens if both companies decide to collaborate on a smartphone? Would it be better than both companies' current flagship phone? And how would it compete against Apple's iPhone? Well, Samsung already uses Google's Android operating system. They've already been collaborating for years, and their partnership has resulted in some of the most powerful and innovative smartphones on the market. And they've actually collaborated on a smartphone back in 2012. So they are not exactly strangers. Samsung is a global leader in electronics, and its hardware spans a wide range of devices, components, and technologies. Samsung phones has great camera systems, advanced multi-lens setup with high-resolution sensor. Samsung chipsets Exynos is one of the best processors in the industry. Exynos are used in many of their devices globally. They also use Qualcomm Snapdragon processor for specific markets. Google, on the other hand, own one of the most widely used operating systems in the world, Android, the most popular mobile operating system globally, running on billions of devices. It is known for its open source flexibility. Artificial intelligence and machine learning is also Google's thing. Google is at forefront of AI-driven software. So what's going to happen if Samsung and Google were to collaborate on a smartphone? Samsung's experience in crafting durable and premium smartphones like the Galaxy S series could bring a robust design. It is possible for potential integration of Samsung Exynos processors optimized for Google's Tensor AI capabilities, or Google using Samsung expertise in chip manufacturing for its Tensor chips. Samsung's advanced camera hardware paired with Google's computational photography could result in industry-leading imaging capabilities. Samsung's industry-leading AMOLED display would ensure a top-tier visual experience. On the software side of the phone, you have a smartphone with the perfect software experience. Thanks to Google's software excellence, there will be a close collaboration to create the most optimized Android experience, leveraging Google's clean software approach and Samsung's customization expertise. Google's AI-driven features like Google Assistant, Google Lens, and real-time language translation could even be more optimized to enhance user interactions. You get a smartphone that seamlessly integrates with Google's and Samsung ecosystem. You get to have a smartphone with faster updates thanks to Samsung's tight integration with Google's Android team, reducing fragmentation. A smartphone with unique features such as advanced multitasking, exclusive camera modes, or productivity tools that leverage both ecosystems, or AI-driven optimization developed specifically for this device. You could see a phone with even better cameras and photo editing tools thanks to Samsung's hardware and Google's AI smarts. Or maybe a phone with a super helpful digital assistant that's even smarter than Google Assistant. It's really about combining the best of the both worlds. Samsung is great at making the physical phone, and Google software is really strong, especially with things like search and AI. If Samsung and Google were to collaborate on a smartphone, the result could be a highly innovative and competitive device that combines the best of the both. Such a device could be a strong contender against Apple. I'd say it's definitely possible for a Samsung and Google phone to give the iPhone a serious run for its money. There would definitely be a stronger market presence in regions where Samsung leads and Google seeks to expand. However, it is important to note that while a deeper partnership between Samsung and Google holds immense potential, it is also crucial to address potential concerns. When Samsung and Google collaborate on a smartphone, there are potential disadvantages that may arise despite their combined expertise. One of the challenges that may arise is the dilution of both brand identity. Both companies are strong individual brands, and collaboration might dilute their identities. Samsung has established itself as a premium hardware manufacturer, while Google is known for its pure Android experience. A collaboration may blur their individual brand identities, confusing consumers about what differentiates the device from a regular Samsung or Google phone. Such a collaboration could cannibalize their existing products. For example, a joint smartphone might take sales away from Samsung Galaxy devices or Google Pixel phones. This could potentially hurt their individual market shares. Another challenge that may arise is that the phone would be so expensive. The combined resources could bring flagship level performance at competitive price. The device would be so expensive compared to current flagship phones in the market. Another challenge that may arise is reduced innovation. Collaboration could prevent innovation as the companies may become too reliant on each other instead of independently pushing boundaries. For instance, Samsung might hold back on hardware innovation, expecting Google to handle software advancements. While collaboration can bring strength from both sides, these challenges must be carefully managed to ensure success. But there's no doubt a closer partnership would make things interesting. Samsung already makes great phones, so imagine them with even better software. A Samsung Google smartphone could redefine the Android flagship category, providing a device that perfectly balances premium hardware and cutting-edge software.